Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook, I have got a family favorite, kid-friendly dinner recipe. I am talking about lasagna soup. My boys love this recipe and I love that it's so quick to make, perfect for a weeknight. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna start by adding our diced onions into my pot. I've already got some olive oil in there. My pot is nice and hot. So we're gonna go ahead and cook these onions until they are translucent and nice and tender. And then we're gonna add in our garlic. Lots and lots of garlic because when it comes to pasta sauces, the more garlic, the better, okay? The more the better. Add that garlic in there. We're gonna cook this garlic until it is fragrant and golden. And that is our cue to add in our ground beef. I am using ground beef. You can use ground turkey. Any type of meat that you normally put in your lasagna, yeah, put it in this soup. Sometimes I use like Italian sausage. That's real good. We're going to add the meat into that hot pot and kind of break it up a little bit. We're going to cook this until it is nice and browned and perfect. And then once you have the meat totally done, go ahead and drain off the fat. This was very lean ground beef, so yeah, not a lot of fat in this one. And then we're gonna add in our diced tomatoes. I'm using the garlic, basil, oregano kind. They're so good. I love that kind. Okay, now I'm gonna add in some tomato sauce. Just go ahead and dump that tomato sauce right into the pot, stir it up a little bit, and now we're gonna add one of my favorite ingredients ever. No, not buttermilk, but chicken broth. Chicken broth just does it for me, okay? We're gonna add in about 4 cups of chicken broth. You can use the beef broth if you want to, but chicken broth, really good. There goes a ton of spices going in there to make it taste all good. Stir that on up just like that. And I'm gonna add in a little bit of brown sugar just to kind of calm down those tomatoes a little bit. They're very, very acidic, and brown sugar just kind of smooths it all out, makes it all nice and calm. And now it's time to hook it up time. And by that I mean a little bit of salt, okay, a little bit of pepper. I'm gonna add in some red pepper flakes. I'm gonna add in a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder. Really just get this sauce tasting the bomb. You have to do this part, okay? Season it up, taste it, season it up, taste it, get it tasting exactly how you like it, okay? You cannot skip this step, all right? You gotta do it, promise me. And I also like to add in a little bit of liquid smoke, just a little splash of it, and some Worcestershire sauce, just a little personal, personal favorite. We're gonna stir this on up, and once you have it tasting the bomb and you are just like approving of it, add your bay leaf, and then we're going to go ahead and let this simmer gently for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can go ahead and make your lasagna noodles. I just cooked my lasagna noodles according to package until they were al dente. Here they are right here. I let them cool off, and then I just cut them up into little bite-sized squares like that. Yeah, I like it. Okay, go ahead and dump that into your pot. And I like this part. I don't know why. Something about I just like putting the noodles in there. It was fun. If they're sticking together, don't worry about it. They will break up once they get into that hot soup. There they are. Okay, just stir it up just like that. And don't forget to remove that bay leaf. I always forget my bay leaf, but this time I remembered it. Okay, now I'm going to add in some Parmesan cheese. Dump him on in. And now you guys, guess what? This soup is pretty much done. It's done. I like to add in some fresh parsley because those little pops of green makes it look so pretty. I just love it. Isn't it gorgeous? But actually, we're not done yet, okay? We're going to go ahead and place this into our bowls, ladle them. Look at it. It's so good, you guys. It's really good. All right, so go ahead and place this into your little bowls. And now we have one final step, and that is adding on lots of cheese. Normally I put on a ton of cheese, but I'm trying to make it pretty for the video. But yeah, mozzarella cheese, ricotta cheese, some fresh parsley. You can use smoked Gouda. I love smoked cheese in lasagna. So don't forget this step. I don't like to add the cheese inside the whole soup because it gets like really clumpy and gluey. Just add it to the individual bowls, and that cheese will melt down so quick and become this lusciousness right here. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and check out my other videos. Later.